So if you want to go ahead and add in page numbers to PDF files that you have, you can easily do that using ILovePDF tool. So to do that over here, what you can do is go ahead and choose, let's say for example, page number right here, which is an option. You can even go around over here onto all tools and access out as page number from over here. So once you do that, you can click on select PDF file and select out the PDF file that you want to add the page number to. So let's say for example, I'm going to go around and select out this Wikipedia file right here and click on open. And then now what you can do is you can choose the position of the page number right here, just like this on the corners. So you can see that the margin is recommended. You can go for small or big margin, as you can see right here. And you can set the first page number to be 1, or you can go ahead and start it from the other page number as well. And you can even go ahead and choose like which pages can have number. Like for example, you can go ahead and keep numbers on only these pages right here. You can select out a range. But let me just go ahead and then add in page number to all of it right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and add in, let's say, custom text. Like I can go for custom right here, and you can see that this is page n of n right here. And I can go ahead and type in TutuTube right here, just like this as well. So now once you do that, you can actually go ahead and change around the font size of the page number as well, just like this. You can bold it and choose the color of the page number as well. For example, I can go ahead and select out red right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and select this out, and you can go ahead and underline it out as you want as well. So this is a single page. You can even enable facing page type of page number right here, just like this, as you can see, so that one is on the left, one is on the right. And you can set the first page as cover page as well, and even go for single page and so forth. So I'm just going to go for single page right here and click on add page number, just like this. And as I do that and click on download right here and click on save, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is page 1 of 7 TutuTube, page 2 of 7, page 3, and so forth right here, just like this. And all of the pages has been added in. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize ILovePDF to add in page numbers in PDF files. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.